Dear fellow Toastmasters, dear fellow leaders, my name is Ilze Doniņa and I am Division B Director. This day I am in my happy place in Liepāja. I'm very happy that this Toastmasters year has come to an end, and I'm very happy that Division B is the second best division of District 108. And this achievement would not be possible without the effort of every Toastmaster, of every Toastmasters club, and of every member of my team. I'm very grateful to Tuire, Irina, Ayo, and Topi for their efforts for making Division B great. This is also a great opportunity to wish the best success to the incoming Division B director and her team. And from my experience, I can say that if you have an opportunity to become an area director or division director or take any other district leadership role, don't let this opportunity go. Grab it and you will have amazing journey, amazing possibilities to grow, and amazing possibilities to help others to grow and to become better speakers, better leaders, and better persons. Thank you.